this is how we make labels for all of our meals. In the Q2 meal prep schedule, you will see all of the meals, so all going to be right here, and these are the dinners, the bolded ones at the bottom. So we'll start right here with the BLT salad. If you can think of a fancier name for them that you would like anyways, that would be great. But these need to match the menus that you will be posting online. So for the BLT salad, what we're going to do is we're going to log into our Avery account. The credentials are the same as everything, the rosemarymeals@gmail.com, lightamber53. We're going to go to projects, and then you will actually just copy and paste an old meal prep label. So here's one right over here. We're going to make a copy, and then we can go to BLT salad with, we can say with citrus aioli. Actually, we're going to do citrus dressing. Cool. And so you also don't want to press enter with your keyboard, but you need to click it on the mouse. That's your permission. Thank you, Kyle. And then we'll go to open project.
Shoot it to that.
Thank you, Kyle. Okay, and then these will be in all caps, and we're just going to write BLT salad with citrus vinaigrette. Actually, it's not a vinaigrette, it's a dressing. Okay, great. And then right here is where you change the calories and everything. Because we don't know what they are yet, I'm just going to, whoops. I'm going to zero them out for you just on this example. That way you don't get confused too when you copy and paste an old one. Okay, and then where you're actually going to find the nutritional information is you're going to go to Master Inventory and Prices. And then all of the meals should be right here. So actually it looks like she started this one. Great, and let me see if she did the nutritional facts yet. She has. So 36 fat, 34 carbs, 11 grams of protein, and then we have 496 calories. And then we will just enter them there, and then you will press save. Very important that you press save. And then press OK, and then you can just like go back to the original page, refresh it, and then we'll see our new menu item right here, and you can copy and paste and make the next one.